In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you could actually make over $200 by actually playing games on your phone. So all you need to do right here for you to start making this money right here is for you to have a good internet connection and your smartphone. So it does not matter where anywhere you are in the world, this method I'm about to share with you in this video is actually going to work for you. So all I just need right here from you is to pay close attention to every little things I'm going to be teaching you right here in this video. So the first thing you need to do is to actually click on the first link in the description. So once you actually click on the first link in the description, it's going to take you straight to this website, and this is the website we're going to be using to be making this money right here in this video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you two websites that's going to pay you to play games right here on your phone. All you need to do basically is to just click on join now. So once you click on join now, it's actually going to take you straight to this page where you'll be asked to like create your account. So you could actually just create an account using your Gmail account. You could create an account using your Apple account, or you could actually create an account using your email address. So basically, I'm going to be creating a new account right here for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to be clicking on my email. So I'm going to be entering my email address. I'm also going to be confirming my password. Once you're done with that, just click on create an account. So once you actually create an account right here, they're actually going to send you a verification code to your email address. So once they actually send you a verification code to your email address, they're going to ask you to verify your account. So once you're done verifying your account, this is how your account is going to look like. So you're going to see a bunch of games that you could actually get started with to start making money online for yourself. But before I literally walk you through how you could make money online on this app, let me quickly show you guys something real quick. So if I come over to Trustpilot right here and I type in the name of the app that we're going to be using to make money online in this video, you guys are going to notice that this app has a 4.1 ratings right here on Trustpilot. So if I scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that this app actually has 5-star ratings on their platform. So you can see right here, this guy actually gave this app 5-star ratings. So if I scroll down a bit again, this guy actually give this app 5-star ratings. So if I keep on scrolling, you're going to see that a lot of people are actually rating this app to tell you that this app is actually legit, and you could actually use the app to make money online from anywhere you are in the world. So if I come over right here and actually read one of the review right here, so you guys are going to notice that this person says this app is an excellent app and is one of the best side hustle app that you could actually get started with to start making some money for yourself. So if I actually go through the review, you guys are going to notice that the review was actually posted May 28th. Tell you that this app is actually legit and you could actually use this app to make money online from anywhere you are in the world. So it does not matter which year you're watching this video from, either be 2025, 2026, because this app has actually been for long, because a lot of people actually make a lot of money from this app. Because I personally have actually made a lot of money from this app, because if I actually go through the app right here, this app has been since 2010. Tell you that this app is still paying to date. So that being said right here, let me quickly walk you through how you could start making money from the app. Once you're already in your account right now, all you need to do is to just click on the menu bar right here at the left corner. So once you click on the menu bar at the left corner, it's going to take you straight to this page. So all you need to do is to just click on the play arrow. So once you click on the play section right here, it's going to take you straight to this page. So it's going to load up a couple of games right here that you could actually play. So by the way, this app is actually going to be paying you in coins. So you could actually redeem these coins for gift card, Amazon gift card. You could also withdraw your money into your PayPal. Like if I scroll down now, you guys are going to see that there are a lot of games on this website that you could use to make money online for yourself. So if I keep on scrolling, you're going to see that there are a lot of games you could use to make money. So let me just click on one of the games right here. So you can see right here that this games is actually going to be paying us 8 SB coins. So guys, before you actually start playing games on this website, please make sure you actually read the instruction carefully to avoid any form of error. So you could see right here, if I scroll down a bit right here, this app says you need to reach level 20 in the last 20 days for you to be able to like earn coins right here on this website. And you already stated here that you must have installed this app for the first time, so you must be a first-time user for you to start making money online on this app. So you can see right here, just make sure you actually read instructions. So if you actually reach level 40, that is when they're actually going to be paying you this 800 SB coins right here that you guys are seeing right here on my screen. So like I said earlier, make sure you actually read instruction before you actually start playing games on the website. So all you need to do is to just click on get now. So once you click on get now, it's going to take you straight to the Google Play Store for you to download the app on your mobile phone. So once you already have enough coins in your account, all you just need to do is to just click on your profile button. So once you click on your profile button right here, you're going to see this place where you could actually redeem your coins. So if I click on this redeem SB, so it's going to take us to this page right here. It's going to load up a bit. So you guys could see right here that you could actually redeem your coins for Amazon gift card. You could redeem your coins for different kind of gift card right here. You can also withdraw your money straight into your Payoneer account. So for those of you that will be watching this video from Nigeria, South Africa, Payoneer is actually available wherever you are in the world. You can also withdraw your money through PayPal. But for you, if you are watching this video from Nigeria, South Africa, and the third world country, you guys know that PayPal is kind of banned in our country. So the best way for you to withdraw your money is to actually withdraw your money through Payoneer account, or you could actually withdraw your money through Amazon gift card. So that is the two options you could use to withdraw your money on this website. So basically, if I actually click on the Amazon gift card, so you need to have at least 1000 SB coins for you to be able to withdraw £10. So this app actually pays you in pounds, which is good because it's a way of you like earning in dollars from the comfort of your home. So once you have about 2000 XB coins right here on this website, you could actually withdraw £20. So what I could tell you that this website is one of the best websites that actually pays the most in all of the making money online apps that actually pay you to play games. So guys, if you know you have found the video helpful so far, please don't forget to give the video a like, smash the subscribe button if you know you have found value from the video so far, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So if you're going to be withdrawing your money through Payoneer, you need to have about 5200 coins, which is about $52 right here. So I'll say that is kind of a lot, but you guys could actually just start with, if you have about like 1000 to 2000 coins on the website, you could withdraw about $10 to like $20 on the website. By the way, this website pay you in different kind of currency. They pay you in USD, they pay you in pounds, they pay you in Europe. That's why I really love the website a lot. Guys, the next website right here on my list is this website right here. So once you actually click on the second link in the video description, it's going to take you straight to this website. And like I said, I'm going to be leaving all the links to all the website I'm going to be mentioning in this video in the video description and also in the pinned comment section. So all you need to do is to just actually create an account. So you could actually just download this app right here on the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. So right here, just click on the menu bar. So once you click on the menu bar, just click on registration. So once you click on registration, it's going to take you straight to this page. Or you could actually just create an account using your email address, confirm your password, and click on continue. You can also sign in using your Google address, your Apple ID, and the rest. So right here, I already have an account, so I'm going to be like logging into my account right here to show you guys how you could start making money from the website. That's right here. This is how the dashboard looks like, and you can see right here I have 0.16 cents right here on my account, and due to because I haven't been active on the website. So basically, all you need to do is just click on the end button. So once you click on the end button, it's going to take you straight to this page right here. So you can see right here there are various ways you could actually make money on this website. You could actually make money by playing games, filling out surveys, watching video, online shopping, and performing micro tasks. So if I actually walk you through the game section, so if I click on start earning now, it's going to take me straight to this page where you could like find different kind of games you could actually play. So you can see right here, these are the amount of money that you could actually earn from playing games. So you could actually earn from 0.10 cents to $50 by just playing games right here on the website. So all you need to do is to just click on IO Studio. So once you click on this IO Studio, it's going to take you straight to this page right here. So you guys can see right here there are a lot of games right here that you could actually like get started with, and you could start making some money for yourself. And again, this app is also going to be paying you in coins, so you could actually redeem the coins for real cash real quick. Another form of making money on this app is also by watching videos. So you could actually watch like a bunch of videos on this website, and you could actually get paid for doing that. So if I click on this watch video right now, so it says we do not have some tax right here, so I have to like download the app. So you need to download the app on your mobile phone for you to be able to like start watching videos. So I'm actually using the app on my Chrome browser. That's the reason why it's actually showing me this. Once you download the app on your phone, you could get started by just watching videos, and you could start making some extra cash for yourself. So you could also make some extra cash also by also referring your friends. So if I head over to their referral program right here, so you guys are gonna notice that you could earn about $10 for each person you refer. So all you just need to do is to just make sure you go through the instructions. So you can see right here I have about 5 people right here that I've actually invited. So I've actually made about $50 from this website, to tell you that you could actually make money from this website. So I haven't been active on the website, so that's the reason why I actually have a couple of dollars in my account, because I have other things I'm doing. If you could like get your friends to sign up on this website and your friend actually made $10, you're also going to be getting $10. So it's kind of a win-win for you both. So guys, this is like awesome, because I'll say it's one of the best way for you to actually make money online. And guys, if you know you haven't liked the video, please like the video, smash the subscribe button so you'll be notified anytime I drop some videos like this. In order for you to withdraw your money, just click on the settings bar, then head over to the payment receiver. So once you head over to the payment receiver, you need to like set up your information, like your country, your postal code, stuff like that. So the minimum threshold for this website is actually $1. So once you actually have $1 in your account, you could actually like withdraw your money straight into your bank account. That is why I really love this website a lot, because this website is actually going to be paying you in your local bank account. So if you are watching this video from South Africa, it's going to be paying you straight into your local bank account. If you're watching this video from Nigeria, from anywhere you are in the world, India, they're going to be paying you straight into your bank account. So I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you know you did, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and also feel free to ask me any question in the comment section. If you know you want to ask me any question, and I'm going to be answering to all your questions. So if you know you want to learn more apps that you could use to make money online for yourself, I'm going to advise you click on the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace out.